Namaskar. Our body is a beautiful machine. Every organ is working day and night to keep us alive, clean, and full of energy. But stress, pollution, and unhealthy habit overload these organs with toxins. If we don't support them, the body slows down, energy dips, digestion struggles, and even the skin loses its glow. The good news, with the right natural recipes rooted in India's traditional wisdom, you can gently detox your vital organs and help their function at their peak again. Let's look at 5 powerful recipes, each crafted for one vital organ. First, let's start with the lungs. Did you know that your lungs filter nearly 11,000 liters of air every single day? With all the dust, smoke, and pollution in our environment, the lungs are constantly under attack. Supporting them with herbs and spices that clears mucus and reduce inflammation will make a huge difference. So let's learn to make a lung detox tea. For this, you will need 1 teaspoon fresh grated turmeric root or half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger root, 5 to 6 fresh tulsi leaves, 1 small piece mulethi or licorice root, 2 crushed green cardamom pod, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon raw honey, which is optional, and 2 cups of water. So to make this lung detox tea, boil turmeric, ginger, tulsi, mulethi, and cardamom in water for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain and add lemon juice and honey. Honey should be added only when the water is cool. Now drink it in the morning or evening on an empty stomach or in between 2 meals. This soothing tea strengthens your lung, boosts immunity, and clears your breathing channels naturally. Second, let's talk about kidneys. Your kidney filters around 50 gallons of blood every day, removing waste and balancing your fluids. But high salt diet and dehydration can stress them fully. A gentle herbal infusion can help them flush toxins more efficiently and easily. So let me teach you to make a kidney detox infusion. For this, you will need 1 tablespoon freshly chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon ajwain or carom seed crushed, 1/4 cup of gourd juice, and 2 cups of water. What you have to do is boil coriander and ajwain in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm on room temperature. Add gourd juice separately before drinking. Have it twice daily before meals. This infusion acts like a natural diuretic, easing water retention and cleansing your kidneys. Next, let's focus on the liver. Your liver is your body's chemical factory. It processes everything you eat, drink, and even the air you breathe. In fact, it filters about 1.4 liters of blood every single minute. Supporting it with bitter and cleansing herbs can help it regenerate and function better. Let's learn to make a liver detox tea. The ingredients you need are 1 teaspoon milk thistle seed crushed, also known as doodh patra, 1 teaspoon dried dandelion root, half teaspoon karela or bitter gourd powder. You can even use dried bitter gourd slices, 2-3 fresh neem leaves crushed, and 2 cups of boiling water. What you have to do is steep milk thistle, dandelion root, karela powder, and neem leaves in boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Drink this once daily, preferably in the evening. This tea supports liver detoxification, encourages regeneration, and purifies your blood. Between these detoxes, another organ that deserves your attention is the pancreas. Your pancreas quietly balances the level of your blood sugar every single day. Yet, modern diets loaded with sugar and refined food exhaust it. Powerful bitter tonic helps it recover and regulates sugar metabolism naturally. So, let me teach you to make a pancreas detox juice. The ingredients you will need are 1 medium bitter gourd or karela into thin slices, half teaspoon jamun seed powder, half teaspoon soaked and ground fenugreek, that is methi, 1 teaspoon kokum juice. What you have to do is blend the karela slices, stir in jamun seed powder, fenugreek paste, kokum juice and black salt just before drinking. Have it in the morning on an empty stomach, preferably 2 to 3 times per week due to its potency. This juice helps regulate blood sugar level and supports the pancreas in its vital work. Now, let's talk about the skin. Your skin is the body's largest organ, covering nearly 20 square feet surface area. It reflects the state of your inner health. If your blood carries toxins, it often shows up as acne, dullness, or inflammation. Purifying your blood with healing herbs can restore that natural glow. So, to make this skin detox drink, you will need 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2-3 fresh neem leaves crushed to a paste, and 1 cup warm water. Now, blend the aloe vera gel, turmeric powder and neem paste with warm water. Drink it fresh. Have it once daily, either in the morning or evening. This blend purifies the blood, hydrates the body and reduces skin inflammation, leaving you with the clear, glowing skin. On the 6th day, we revisit lungs and kidneys together. After nearly a week of cleansing, given these 2 organs, another round of support helps flush out what's being released. You can repeat either the lung tea or kidney infusion, whichever your body needs more. On the 7th and final day, we focus on harmony. True detox is not about single organ, but about balance. On this day, drink whichever recipe your body feels drawn to. Listen to your intuition. Some prefer the cooling kidney drink, some needs the warmth of lung tea, and some choose the glow-giving aloe vera blend. These recipes aren't just quick fixes. Together, they form a complete support system for your vital organ. Lungs that breathe easier, kidney that flush clean, a liver that processes smoothly, a pancreas that balances sugar naturally, and skin that radiates health. A true detox is not about starving or punishing your body. It's about feeding your organs a right natural food so that they can heal, renew, and energize you. That too from the inside out. Try these recipes. Listen to your body and let nature do its work. Your energy, your clarity, and your glow will speak for themselves. Namaskar.